If you're dealing with issues on laundry day and suspect it's the filter on Whirlpool washing machine causing trouble, I'm here to help. A clogged filter can lead to water drainage problems, strange odors, and even error messages. Fortunately, cleaning or replacing the filter on your Whirlpool washing machine is something you can do yourself, and it's often the solution to many common issues. The filter on Whirlpool washing machine is usually located at the front bottom of the machine behind a small access panel. To begin, make sure the washing machine is unplugged to avoid any electrical risks, and have a towel or shallow container ready because there may be some water left in the filter area. Open the panel and you'll see the filter cap. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Be careful, as some water may start to flow out. This is normal and expected. Once the cap is off, inspect the filter for any buildup. The filter on Whirlpool washing machine often collects lint, hair, small coins, and other debris that can block water flow. Clear out any items and rinse out the filter under warm water to remove any remaining residue. It's a good habit to check and clean this filter every few months, as regular maintenance helps avoid blockages and ensures your machine operates smoothly. If you're still experiencing issues, even after cleaning the filter, there may be a more extensive clog in the drain hose or pump. To inspect these, you may need to detach the drain hose from the back of the machine and check for obstructions. If you're not comfortable with this step, or if cleaning the filter hasn't resolved the issue, consider reaching out to a professional technician who can inspect the machine thoroughly and address any persistent problems. Regularly cleaning the filter on Whirlpool washing machine not only helps with drainage, but also improves the overall performance and lifespan of your appliance. It's a quick maintenance task that can prevent future headaches, helping your machine run as efficiently as possible.